Yesterday, we added a pair of two-digit numbers, starting with the tens. Today, we will continue practicing adding a pair of two-digit numbers, and I will show you that sometimes adding the ones first makes more sense. So here we have a new problem that we're going to work on today. The problem is 17 plus 13. I'm going to do a quick 10 drawing to help me see what this problem looks like. So yesterday, we started by adding the tens first. Today, we're going to see that sometimes adding the ones makes more sense because it will help us create and bundle a 10. So let's start solving this problem. The first that I'm going to do is that I'm going to break apart the smaller number, just like we did yesterday. 17 plus 13. Going to break apart the smaller number, and one of them is 10, that's one part, and my other part is 3. Let's look at these numbers. 17, is that closer to 20 or is that closer to 10? 17 is closer to 20. Let's count on from 17 to 20 to see how many more we need to make a bundle. Put 17 in your head and count 3 more. 17, 18, 19, 20. We need 3 more. So here it makes more sense that we add the ones instead of the 10 to make a number sentence. So 17 plus 3 equals, I'm going to do the same thing that I did here to my quick 10 drawing to make it match. 17, 18, 19, 20. Since I moved over these 3, I'm going to erase them from here and make that quick 10. 17 plus 3 equals 20. Because now that I added 7 plus 3, I could make a 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Now that we have our first number sentence, what happens with the 20? What do I need to do next? Yes, bring it down, and add. Bring down this 20. 20 plus, what number is left over? Good. 10 equals 30. Stop and think, why is it that sometimes we add the tens first and sometimes we add the ones first? Yes, we are trying to make groups of 10 so that we could bundle. When we bundle, it's easier for us to count and to skip count, which is why we practice counting, so that we could get to our answer faster and we could help our brain figure out the total. So today's problem set, you're going to have to solve by sometimes adding the tens first or sometimes adding the ones first. Let's work on some problems. I will help you with the first one and then you will complete the rest. Today, it's more practice of what we did yesterday to help us build on this skill. Okay, this is our problem set for today. Let's read the directions. Solve using number bonds. This time, add the tens first. Write the 2 number sentences to show what you will do. I'm going to start by breaking apart the smaller number, which is 11. One part becomes 1 and the other part is 10. Even though we're going to be adding tens, we need to make sure that we remember what is that second part. So my first number sentence is 14 plus 10. If you have to draw a quick 10 drawing to help you see this problem, please do so. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 10 equals 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next, the 24, I'm going to bring it down, and add. Now I need to add my ones. We only have 1. 24 plus 1 equals 25. As I practice, I notice that it's becoming easier for me to add tens and ones with 2-digit numbers. Now it's your turn. Make sure that you pay attention to what the question is asking you. Sometimes you're going to add tens first, and sometimes you will be adding ones first. When you are done, have your parents take a picture, and don't forget to send it to us. Great job today.